Good morning everybody, Car Biker here. I'm in Croft-on-Tees at the minute. I'm about 2/3 of the way to a place that I'm off to visit with Chris. Not far from Darlington, where the brick train is. I've done a video on the brick train already. But going to visit something. I said not far from Darlington, I didn't realise I was that close. Oh well. But we're not coming to see the brick train today. We're off to see something a little bit past Darlington, in a similar kind of vein, because it is a sculpture or an installation. It's not made of bricks though. This one's made of stainless steel, and it's not in Darlington, it's in a place called Consett. It's actually two pieces to it, though they come under the same name, so I guess it's one installation. That name is Terris Novalis, which I think means something along the lines of "from New Earth," but I might have got that slightly wrong, so I'll pop it on the screen if I have. And I guess the name relates to the fact that it's on the land at the place where there used to be a very different purpose. Now it's just kind of empty land and there's parkland around it and things like that. The land used to be where the Consett Steel and Iron Works, or Iron and Steel Works, was, which was the biggest steelworks or most productive steelworks in the country. Rivaled Sheffield, which is known the world over, I believe, for its steelworks. And it was also at the area where it met the train line into Consett, which apparently was the busiest industrial train line in the country. So a lot of industry going on there. All now gone, closed down a few decades ago, with quite a loss of jobs, thousands of jobs unfortunately. The installation itself is two sculptures, both made of stainless steel, both based on engineering or surveying tools. One of them is a representation of an engineer's level, which is used for measuring horizontal levels, and the other a theodolite, I think that's how you pronounce it, which is used for measuring angles, kind of weird telescope type thing on top of a movable wheel, so you can measure angles of things. I don't know how they work exactly. It's not a tool I've ever had to use, but they do look funky. They are quite large representations of them. They're 20 times the size of a normal one, so about 6 meters high, which is what, 20 feet-ish. So quite big. And then oddly, they're standing on feet that are inspired by heraldic symbols. So each of the feet of these devices, apart from one, is an animal's foot. So it's like a lizard or crocodile's animal foot. Not quite sure what it is actually, looking at the pictures I've seen and doing a little bit of investigation online. Nobody can seem to agree on what type of foot it actually is, that one. There's a foot of a bird of prey, and there's a hoof. And then one of the feet isn't a feet for some reason, it's a human hand. But it looks like it'd be fun to go and have a look at. It looks like something out of War of the Worlds or something, a kind of Victorian idea of an invading alien spaceship or something. And they're sitting on a hill overlooking Consett, with a cycle path that goes right past them, so we can park up nearby and walk up that cycle path and have a good close-up look. The sat-nav tells me I'm nearly at the end of the route, so I would be expecting to see some sculptures. I'm not sure where they are. I guess they don't do bike parking spots anymore.
No. Where's the thing then, Vic?
Just over there.
Dance to your mammy, sing to you. When the boat comes in, when the boat comes in country, you shall have it, Vicky. Right, go on, get on with your barb.
Right, we've parked up at the supermarket. We think it's over past them trees.
I don't think.
What, just in generally?
He thinks.
Just in generally, I don't
have
think.
no idea where this bit of metal is.
I tell you, the more you talk, the more you're becoming a vlogger.
Oh yeah.
Butter pie, Chris.
Butter pie, Chris. Oh, pop it. Hello, James. Send me a butter pie, will you, please? Thank you.
This is the cycle network. So it must be up here. You found a traffic cone?
Yeah.
I did say on that visit to Sawley Abbey that you looked like a gnome. Do you want to put the hat on?
Attention, Graham Calvert. Wear your heated gear.
So it's just down here about 2.5 miles.
I'll be waiting here then. Tell me all about it.
Here we go. I know they're engineering tools, but it does look like something out of War of the Worlds.
Tools are right bloody work.
Very strange feet. You'd not believe this was all industry in the past. And there's the foot that's a hand. So that was Terris Novalis. Now I'm going to head back to the bike because it's really cold, and 30 seconds after I started the drone flying it started chucking it down with rain. So hopefully the drone footage will come out as well, and hopefully you enjoyed that one. Thanks for watching everyone, ride safe, and I'll talk to you all again soon.